Hey, this is Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new arrival of ours. This is a 2025 Scout 305 LXF. Full hull shark gray gel coat, looks really sharp, really popular color scheme for us and Scout. Has the Midnight Edition package. You can see the black powder coating on the inside and underside of the hardtop. Also comes with a black rub rail with a stainless insert and a black scrub rail. We have full walk-through transom with the foam padded sea deck. It's nice and comfortable on your feet. This boat comes standard now with the new Seakeeper Ride trim system. Incredible performance on this boat. Great stability. And you've also got the new V10s from Mercury with joystick. These are the 350 horsepower engines. We've got 4-blade stainless steel props. There's a lot of torque out of the bottom. And now we'll take a look at the inside. So here on the cockpit of Scout's 305 LXF, we have a cutting board area to the port side with 3 drawers of tackle storage that'll have a nice soft close. Raw water wash down, recessed cleats, rod holders, cup holders, really comfortable stern seat with a nice high backrest that's built in, armrests that are built in, and then you got a live well beneath this seat. Transom door to starboard. This is a self-bailing cockpit with the deck drains there. We have a freshwater washdown connection here. Bilge access on Scout is always really well done. Great space to store a stern anchor. You can see we've got a dedicated storage feature for that from the plant. All finished bilge, so easy to keep clean as well. Backside of the leaning post, we have a freshwater sink, Edson cup holders, little glove box area, another cutting board prep area, Corian countertop, cooler, Yeti cooler 35 quart with a seat cushion on top that's on a slider and has a stainless steel grab rail. We have fish boxes in the floor on both port and starboard sides. These are pump out fish boxes. And then we have a port side dock door that comes standard. So easy to get in and out of the boat from either side. Port side of the leaning post, we have more tackle storage. Again, really nicely well done, nice fit and finish. Leaning post in this boat is really comfortable. We have armrests that fold up and down, bolsters that fold up and down. So this is a very comfortable boat to either stand or be in a leaning post position, or if you want to sit. You have a nice elevated perspective at the helm. Midnight Edition package again, so black powder coating, black dash, black Edson steering wheel, digital throttle and shift with those V10 Mercury 350s, joystick, which also includes your skyhook and autopilot features. Got twin 16-inch screens from Garmin, full glass windshield, JL audio sound system with the upgraded sound system that also includes a sub and an amp. Also got air conditioning at the helm, VHF radio, Fusion Bluetooth stereo head unit. We do have outriggers, cranking outriggers on this boat. And then on the starboard side of the leaning post, nice feature here, we've got a fold-out trash can. Port side of the console, we've got a battery charger on board, and then an entry into our cabin. Really spacious cabin for a 30-foot center console. You can see how much headroom I have. So you got about 6 feet of headroom. Porcelain toilet with sink. Olympic style or a swimming pool style dive ladder for that port side dock door. It's a cool feature to make it easier to get in and out of the boat. We got a little berth area with a backrest that does fold up. This is a great space for storage, or if you want to put the kids down for a quick nap. And this space is also air conditioned as well. Got a medicine cabinet style storage with a mirror. Backside of all your electricals on the console are here, battery switches, ignition keys, stereo head unit, controls for your air conditioning are here, and you've got an overhead light as well. AC unit is easily accessed beneath this teak step. Up to the bow, you got nice high gunnels, so everybody feels safe inside. Great bow area on this boat. You've got the forward loungers with the molded in backrest, fiberglass backrest, really beefy and sharp looking. Black powder coating on all of the grab rails forward. Big chase lounge up front, easily seats 2 adults with armrests that fold down. Close access to cup holders, got a recessed area for if you want to slide your phones with some non-skid. Got storage beneath the chase lounge, great to put dock lines and the other stuff out of the way. Give you an idea of how much space you have up in the bow here, so someone who's 6 foot tall can comfortably stretch out. This is the Grigio upholstery, so it's gray with a cream interior. Got finished storage beneath both the port and starboard seats. Got storage in the floor as well. There is an option to put a bow table up here if you wanted to have that added to this boat, easily done. We do have the bow shade kit already installed, so you got the rod holder, cup holder receivers up here, the stainless eyelets underneath the hardtop, so you can totally shade this area when you're anchored or beached. Got a through the stem windlass anchor with controls on the foredeck in addition to what you have back at the helm. And that is a walkthrough of this 2025 Scout 305 LXF. Again, I'm Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax in Charleston. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889. And always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.